Hi, I'm Dan Krause, a state law and elder planning attorney, and I wanted to talk today about memory care. What is memory care? And more importantly, if you need memory care, how can you pay for it? Before I get to that, though, I want to invite you to give us a call if you need help with questions about these issues and these topics that we're going to talk about today. And our phone number is 608 268 5751. So, once again, my name's Dan Krause. I practice law in Wisconsin. Some of the answers to these questions may depend on what state you're in. So, if you're in a state besides Wisconsin, uh, you'll have to take what I'm saying with a little bit of a grain of salt. So, what is memory care? Memory care is care that is for people who need help with their memory. As many people grow older, or if you have certain uh, conditions or diseases or events in your life, like brain trauma or perhaps a stroke, you may need memory care. If the care that you need is to help you to remember things, to tell you when to get up, a lot of times to take your pills, um, sometimes to help you to remember where things are. Um, this is the kind of thing that memory care can help with. Now, memory care can be given at home. Memory care can be done in an assisted living facility, a community-based residential facility, or a licensed nursing facility, all depending on what your needs are, how seriously you need other types of care besides memory care. Can you get around? Are you mobile? Etc. And sometimes memory care needs to be given in a locked facility for people who are in danger of wandering or being hurt by wandering outside when it's very cold or in traffic or something of that sort. So, memory care is care to help someone that has a failing memory. And how do you pay for memory care? Normally, memory care is not covered by normal insurance or Medicare. Medicare is what people 65 and older, US citizens, get to pay for most of their health care. However, memory care is considered to be long-term care and is not covered by Medicare in most circumstances. Unfortunately, there are types of insurance like long-term care insurance that can and will pay for memory care depending on the insurance policy. Also, much memory care in this country is paid for by Medicaid. Now, Medicaid is a program that is means-based, which means that in order to qualify, you have to have a certain low level of assets or income or income. So, how can people qualify for Medicaid to get memory care? Well, there are ways to lower your income, lower your assets in order to make memory care more affordable for you and your family. Some of these methods take a little bit of time, and some of them take quite a bit of calculation and using legal methods in order to make their assets from assets into income, etc. We do a lot of this type of work. If you think you may need help paying for memory care, please call a qualified attorney to help you. If you want to call us in Wisconsin, our number is 608 268 5751.